Hello, beards and beardettes. Alright, my name's Alex, me. This is my channel, Beard Adventures. Yeah, the words don't line up because I'm actually doing a voiceover because the wind was so bad. I'm doing an unboxing of the PowerDeWise microphone, and during the unboxing, I'm going to be using that microphone, which is the Pop Voice Lavaliere mic that I paid $13.99 for, and the PowerDeWise I paid $39.99 for. Hopefully it works better than that one that I'm going to be using during the unboxing, but let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So now I have this mic plugged in, and we're going to unbox this one. Let's read the contents. PowerDeWise, words can change lives. 3.5 jack. It looks like it works with PC, laptop, phone, tablet, camera. It has a 6.5 foot mic cord, a 6.5 foot extension cord, which is nice because the one I have currently has this giant thing of extra cord all wrapped up, and this is a 12-foot cable, which is okay if you need it, but I'm usually pretty close, as you can see, to my phone for recording. This one has a rotating clip. This one does not, the one that I'm wearing. Any issue we can answer ASAP. Visit www.powerdewise.com and click message us in the bottom right corner. Hopefully this microphone that I'm wearing is blocking out the wind because it is awfully windy this morning. Yeah, I said morning. I'm not usually up this early. It's like 10:30, I think. User guide. Fully plug the microphone into your phone, your iPhone, smartphone, iPad, and start recording your speech with video and audio app. Unplug the mic to listen to result. Usually, it's all you need to do. Connection is 3.5 jack, power from device. Interview set contents. Lavaliere microphone, 6.5 foot cable, extension cord, 6.5 foot, you said that already. 4 to 3 pin adapter, storage case, 2 extra wind muffs. To connect to PC, laptop, or DSLR, the microphone needs a 4 to 3 pin adapter included. Alright, let's go ahead and open the box and see what we can get inside, or what we get inside. What we can get. I believe every box would be the same. I'm having a tough time. No, there we go. It's open. Okay, alright. It's got a little band around it. Quick start guide and tips. We're not doing that. A little band, having problems, don't panic. Easy steps to great recordings. We're just gonna take you right on off of there. We're gonna put you back in the box here so we don't lose you. We don't need you, but I'm outside. Oh, the birds are going. Oh, they're over here. There's some big birds right there. I think they're cranes. PowerDeWise, easy vlogging. Words can change lives. Record them perfectly. All right. And remember, currently, I'll put in the corner down here, while I'm using this microphone, this is the Pop Voice, the one that I paid $13.99 for. I'll have that showing so you know when we're actually hearing this one. Okay, the first thing I'm going to take out of the bag seems to be the adapter. If you're using this with a DSLR, PC, or laptop. And 2 wind muffs. We're going to put that down there. This is the extension cable, 6.5 foot extension cable. And the microphone itself. You know what? we're gonna put this extension cable back in the bag because that's all that came in there. I'm gonna take this other thing here and put it back in the bag so we don't lose anything like I did in the last video. Alright, so here's that rotating clip. Okay, so it rotates, but it like clicks in different spots. So that's nice until you break it. But I didn't break it. It just snaps back on. I was like, oh well, that's great. So we're gonna go ahead and switch microphones. Let's see what this one sounds like. If you are using a cell phone without a headphone jack, you will need a 3.5 female. My phone is a Google Pixel 4 XL to a USB-C. If you're using an iPhone, you'll need it to your lightning cable. Alright, let's get to the other. Should be good. Now, I don't know, as of right now, because I haven't edited this video yet, since I literally just put it on my shirt. I'm not sure the quality, so you guys have to let me know in the comments below if you like this one better than the PowerDeWise. Now we are about to go for a little test drive here on the old golf cart. I'm sure you're gonna hear the golf cart. There's really no way around that, I don't think, because I'm literally sitting on the engine. Well, not literally. There's a seat, and then underneath the seat is an engine. So you're gonna hear the golf cart no matter what. My main focus is hopefully the wind noise is gone. Hopefully everything's better than before. And let's go ahead and do a little drive around this parking lot like I did in the last video. And if you guys want to hear the difference between this mic and the PowerDeWise, if you go to up here, the PowerDeWise video, it's I did a whole driving around, and that was the difference between my phone and the PowerDeWise. This video is just testing out this microphone in a circle. So yeah. Okay, so I ran out of storage on my phone, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay, and I'm not talking any louder than I usually would. I'm actually talking quieter than what I would on the golf cart. I'm trying to make this kind of short just because I am out of storage on my phone. For some reason got the 64 gig. Never was an issue before, but it seems to always be an issue now. Even though I upload all my videos and photos to Google Cloud, it still just fills up so fast. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay, and we're just gonna stop up here. This is the PowerDeWise Lavaliere microphone, and hopefully it sounds better than the other one, and hopefully it sounds better than the regular microphone in my phone. Thanks guys, have a wonderful day. Toodles.